So this is US oil analysis for Friday the 26th of April. Now let's just have a look on prices and prices may likely go. So here on the US oil, we've seen prices break above the 65.60. Briefly held support there, had a rally beyond the 66.12. Counter resistance, pullback, retested 66.12 again, held resistance, pulled back towards 65.60, and again we did have another test of that 66.12. So the 6612 has proven itself to be a fairly good level of resistance here on the US oil, from which we've seen the breakdown as we weren't able to break and hold that 6612 on the retest of that 6560. As we can see, we saw a strong break of that previous level of support here on the US oil. So it broke out of this range that we were in between that 6612 and 6560. Saw the breakdown here towards that 6474. Brief consolidation around 64.74, where we do have the confluence of a 200 period average before seeing a further breakdown here on at the US oil, take us all the way down towards that 63.76, from which we've pulled back as indicated by this wick here from that 63.76 all the way back up towards that 64.10. Now, if we do hold a 64.10, if we do hold above the 63.76 more specifically, if you do hold above 63.76, looking for continuation towards that 64.74, beyond which, again, we're looking for a move back up towards this area of support, possibly area of resistance around that 65.60. If, however, we do see a retest and break of 63.76, looking for 63.05, 62.47, and if we do see fairly strong momentum in the coming days or so, maybe see 61.47 tested here on the US oil. And finally, we'll have a look here at the daily chart. So on this daily chart of the US oil, as we can see, the overall theme here has been to the upside over the past couple of months here on the US oil. We've seen a strong move here in towards our 6612 counter resistance, and over the past couple of days we've seen this pullback here on the US oil. So again, we've mentioned the levels that we are looking at here to the downside, so it doesn't bear repeating myself. So with that said, that pretty much wraps up the US oil analysis. Thanks for watching.